pleasant day, everyone. I am Precious Mandy Cortez from grade 12 ABMG, and I am about to present to you the lesson of ionic and covalent bonding. Chemical bonding is a force that holds the two or more atoms together in a molecule. It is also an attractive force that allows atoms to attach to other atoms to form a molecule. First, let's start with the Lewis theory. According to this theory, the electron found in the outer shell of an atom is called valence electrons. They are super important because there's the one involved in the bonding. To find the number of valence electrons, we just look at the last s and p orbitals in the electron configuration of the elements. Now, to make this easier to see, we use the Lewis dot structure. In the Lewis dot structure, we write the symbol of the elements to put down around it to represent the valence electrons. For example, elements in group 1 have 1 valence electrons, so that they have 1 dot. Group 2 has 2 dots, and Group 3 has 3 dots, and so on, until Group 8, which has 8 dots and a full outer shell, means it's already stable. In short, the Lewis theory and Lewis dot structure help us visualize how atoms bond, whether they share or transfer electrons, to achieve a stability. And that's the quick explanation for the Lewis and the Lewis dot theory.
Good day everyone, my name is Cristian Coyam Ramos. Meaning of electron transfer, ionic bonding. It occurs between a metal and a non-metal element. The metal loses electrons, while the non-metal gains electrons. Follow the octet rule. After the transfer, both elements become oppositely charged ions. These opposite charges attract each other, forming a strong chemical bond. Explanation of electron transfer, ionic bonding. Ang electron transfer na kilala rin bilang ionic bonding ay nangyayari kapag nag-interact ang isang metal at non-metal na element. Dito, ang metal nawawala ng electrons kaya nagiging positively charged ion o cation. Habang ang non-metal matanggap ng electrons at nagiging negatively charged ion o anion. Itong exchange ng electrons ay tumutulong sa kanila na ma-achieve ang stable na electron configuration. Ayon sa octet rule, ibig sabihin, gusto nilang magkaroon ng 8 electrons sa outer shell para maging mas stable because they now carry opposite charge. They are strongly attracted to each other, forming a chemical bond that holds them together in a compound.
Hi everyone, I am Eliza Ramos. So today, I will show you how to solve the ionic bonding. So, meron akong example dito which is yung calcium and chlorine. So, step 1, kailangan natin makuha yung property niya at saka yung group. So, yung group ng calcium is 2, yung group ng chlorine is 7. Yung property naman niya is metal and yung chlorine naman is non-metal. So, step 2, isusulat natin yung calcium and yung chlorine. So, isang calcium, tapos dalawang chlorine dahil dalawa yung dito niya. And then, kailangan natin ilagyan ng dot, which is yung mga group niya. Yung calcium group niya is 2, yung chlorine naman is 7. So, step 3, kailangan na ulit natin isulat yun, tapos bibigyan ulit natin ng dot. Para maging stable naman siya, kailangan natin i-transfer yung dalawang dot ng calcium para maging stable yung dalawang chlorine. So, which is, bigyan natin ng tag-iisa dahil tig-7 naman din yung chlorine. So, magiging stable na siya dahil 8 na yun. So, step 4, final answer is calcium is positive. Bakit nga ba siya naging positive? Naging positive siya kasi siya yung nagbigay sa chlorine. And yung chlorine naman magiging negative dahil siya yung tumanggap.
Good day! My name is Francesca Nicole J. Velasco. Meaning of electron sharing and covalent bonding. Covalent bonding happens when two non-metal atoms share electrons to become stable. Instead of transferring electrons like ionic bonding, they are shared them to each them. Atoms can complete its outer shell. Most elements aim for 8 electrons octet rule, but hydrogen is an exception. It only needs 2 electrons to become stable. This type of bonding creates a strong connection between atoms and is common in molecules like water and oxygen. Explanation of electron sharing covalent bonding. Covalent bonding is a type of chemical bond na nangyayari kapag 2 non-metal atoms share electrons para maging stable. Unlike ionic bonding na may electrons transfer dito sa covalent bonding. Electrons are shared between atoms para ma-complete ang mga outer shell nila. Most atoms follow the octet rule, meaning gusto nila ang 8 electrons sa valence shell para may exception, hydrogen, kasi 2 electrons lang ang kailangan niya para maging stable. Dahil sa sharing ng electrons, nabubuo ang strong connection between atoms gaya ng sa water at oxygen molecules.
Hello everyone, my name is TJ Polep Sumang from 12 ABM3. Now, I'm gonna discuss to you the 2 examples of covalent bonding. Now, I'm gonna show you the example number 1. Carbon and hydrogen. Step 1. You need to find the group and property of carbon and hydrogen. Based on the periodic table, the group of carbon is 4. And the property is non-metal. The group of hydrogen is 1. And the property is also non-metal. The group of hydrogen is 1, and the property is also non-metal because it is a gas and not a metal. Step 2. Write the Lewis dot of carbon and hydrogen. Step number 3. Let's make it stable. As you can see, hydrogen now has 2 electrons stable. And the carbon is now has 8 electrons stable.
Hello everyone, my name is Austin Kim C. Miranda, and today I will show you how to solve germanium in covalent bonding. Step 1. Hanapin natin yung property niya at yung group niya. So yung germanium group niya is 4 and yung property niya is non-metal. Step 2. Lagay natin yung dalawang GE tapos tig-4 na tuldok bawat GE. Step 3. Pag konektahan natin yung mga tuldok na yon para maging stable sila.